Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you the Blue Magic hair grease. I'm going to be showing you why it's beneficial, why it has, and also why it's so beneficial for many of my clients that use it. I use this on my lock and I use this on my scalp. It is like so refreshing. I can't even begin to tell you of why it's so good to use. So it's blue. It doesn't make your hair turn blue. It's actually used for your scalp. Now, people that have locks and a natural hair texture, it's also good for your hair for you to use. It is a thick consistency. But yeah, guys, this is just gonna basically give your scalp that kind of coverage of feeling that it's being protected. It's very thick, so it's very good to use.